Hello everyone, welcome to Food Creativity etc. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for this amazing bamboo chicken. First we have to make a marination for our chicken. Here I have added yogurt, jeera powder, garam masala, chicken masala, onion paste, garlic paste, mustard oil, salt. Next goes in the chicken and mix everything properly and let it rest for at least 2 hours or overnight for best results. I will be keeping the chicken for overnight. So the next morning I am adding 2 big size onion which I have chopped. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder and 4 to 5 tablespoon of onion paste. Again mix everything properly. Here you have to keep on mixing all the things at least for 10 minutes so that the chicken absorbs all the masala. Now for the bamboo, one side should be open and the other side should be blocked. Next we are going to wash the bamboo properly and dip it in water for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and this way put water inside and clean the bamboo properly before cooking. So now the bamboo is ready. Now let's put the marinated chicken inside the bamboo. This way you have to push the chicken inside and fill the bamboo. Fill the bamboo only halfway, otherwise the chicken and the gravy might come out. After filling the bamboo, you have to seal the mouth of the bamboo with a banana leaf, or you can use a silver foil this way. And then we are going to put it in our fire stove or fire oven. And this way the bamboo should be standing on the fire, otherwise the gravy might come out. And this way we will turn the bamboos and cook until the bamboo is completely burned. Then only the chicken will be soft and tender. So here's my bamboo chicken is cooking and it's ready, you can see. Let's take out the chicken. You have to wrap the bamboo with a paper or cloth and then take out the chicken, otherwise the charcoal from the bamboo might come to your chicken. So this way I'm taking it out. So this amazing bamboo chicken is ready to eat. If you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and please follow Food Creativity etc. on Facebook and Instagram. And bye bye for today. See you next time with a new recipe.